Hey guys, welcome back to Route 66 Restoration. Here on the bottom of this panel that we're putting on the 57, the front patch panel, you know, everybody says that these panels don't fit, and they're right. Okay, that line up there locks in the bottom of this panel. Okay, the problem is that it does not line up. You know, you see it going along here, okay, and you think that it's okay, but it does not line up with the inner rocker panel, and you have to weld it to the inner rocker panel. So thus lies the problem, and I don't know if I can get the camera under here to show you this, but let me try. So if you can see, this lip here is half an inch almost from where it needs to be. So the gentleman from Restoring Christine had the same problem on his 56. So I'm just working at this, and we'll see what we can do. But it is an issue, and it's a known issue. And so I think what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go along and I'm going to punch my holes with my Whitney punch, because it's down. So I have all them holes in there rather than drilling them and getting a bunch of burrs. I love my little Whitney punch. So they are a tool that's worth it. And then what I'm going to do here, right here on this corner, is I'm going to pie cut it right in here. I'm going to pie cut it. And I'm going to leave about a half an inch out of this, and then I'll try to, well, I'm going to leave about a half an inch out of this right here, and then I'm going to push this up with the scissors jack that I got, that's made for these pinch welds, and see if that works. So, but it's a known problem. So let's see how it comes out. Well, hey guys, I got this V-notch, and then as I said, I use my Whitney punch to punch holes along the edge here. So all those holes are here. One of the things that you might want to think about is this Whitney punch. This is I got it upside down here. This is ideal for punching holes, doesn't leave burrs, and it's a nice thing. So anyhow, that's what we got going on here. So take it easy, guys. Okay, I got this scissor jack in there, and okay, I got this scissors jack in there, and I got it jacked up, and I've put a self tapper in there to hold it. As you can see, it buckled the fender, it buckled the panel just a little bit here. Okay, this is the bottom side. I'm not too worried about it, but it is got a bulge here, so I'm gonna have to push this in once I get it up in place. And I saved this piece, so I'll just cut it down and I'll weld it back in. But I wanted to make sure I had plenty of room for this to go up. And so now I'll move down here and put another self tapper in down around this direction, and then just keep working my way down until I get it to where I can cinch it up tight, and then I'll weld her in place. So that's the plan. Well, I got the self tappers in all the way along, and she's pushed up into place. I used a C-clamp here on the last part, but as you can see, you can see the metal now. Okay, you know, I still have that gap, but I just did a V-gap. Well guys, looks like we got it all patched in there. And then down under here, yeah, Got it all attached. That's it for that.